If your toilet keeps rocking or leaks water at the base, it's probably time to replace that busted toilet flange before things get worse. Alright, so here's the deal. First, shut off the water to your toilet and flush it to empty the bowl. Then, you gotta remove the old toilet by unscrewing those nuts at the base. Watch out for any water left in the bowl or tank. Next, pull off the old wax ring, cause you'll need a fresh one when you put everything back. Check out the flange itself. If it's cracked, broken, or loose, it's toast and needs replacing. When you grab a new flange, make sure it fits your drain pipe size and style. Use some flange bolts and screws to secure it tight to the floor. No wiggling allowed. Put a new wax ring on before settling the toilet back down, then tighten everything evenly so you don't crack porcelain. Finally, reconnect the water, flush a few times, and keep an eye out for leaks or movement. One of the biggest problems with toilet flange replacement is not turning off the water properly, which can cause a messy flood. Always double check that valve before starting. Another common mistake is reusing an old wax ring or messing up the seal. This leads to leaks and stinky smells, so toss that old ring and get a new one every time. The third issue? Not securing the flange firmly enough to the floor. If it's loose, your toilet will rock and damage the seal quickly. Fix these by prepping well, replacing all worn parts, and tightening everything solidly without overdoing it. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff with toilets and plumbing. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's an awesome way to connect with folks needing work done in your area.